In this video, we're going to start Chapter 1 of Service Pack 4, Office Productivity, Microsoft Office 2007. We're going to start by introducing you to Microsoft Word 2007. If you have Microsoft Word or a Microsoft Office suite or a trial version of the suite, go ahead and open it up. And I already have it here in my quick launch. So we'll go ahead and open it up, and we're going to get started with a nice little introduction and a little brief tutorial on this Microsoft Office 2007. This is Microsoft Office 2007, and like I said in the previous video, it is a lot different from previous versions of Microsoft Word. It is the most modified change of any upgrade to the Microsoft Office system. We have here a nice spreadsheet. Basically, it is the standard, I believe, 8 by 11. I think that's the standard paper size. And you have up here, these are called ribbons. These are no longer menu bars or task menu bars or whatever you might call them. These are called ribbons, and you can go ahead and access these clicking on them and so forth. Also, the quickest way to get access to these ribbons, in case you don't know, just hold down the Alt key and it'll give you these short buttons, these letters that you can press, and you can get instant access to these ribbons. Get rid of those. This is the home ribbon, and basically the home ribbon contains various components which represent tools that are commonly used when doing a document. We have here Clipboard, which contains the tools Paste, Cut, Copy, and Format Painter. We have Fonts, which contains the obviously currently using font, so you can change the different, and you have various different fonts to choose from, all kinds. That's really fun to use, and you're gonna find one that you're gonna love. You have the font size, which can be customized. You have these bold, italic, underline. You have a line through, so if you were just typing something like, I don't know, and you want to select this by holding down the left mouse key and selecting that, and do this, and you can put a nice little line through just in case that's messed up. You also have this tool here which allows you to put little lettering at the bottom of your text. So we were typing something, if we want to put smaller stuff here, we can do that. This is very good if you're going to do some referencing. You can also use this to do some quicker adjustments to your text, such as sentence case, lowercase everything, uppercase everything, capitalize each word selected, or toggle the cases. This is a quicker way to change the size or the font of your text. Goes up by 2 points, so you can choose that. You have some other tools here. You have your letter changer, background changer, and some erasing tools here. And of course, the paragraph tools are very useful. Outlining bullets. You have the indents, as well as show hide. You have your paragraph, whether you want it to be on the left, centered, right, justified, as well as more adjustments to the line spacing. I like this one, where you can make a a nice little shade, which is good. I usually make shades when I'm typing, when I'm doing chapters or sections and so forth, when I want to do highlight. And then when you start typing, it even puts your text in white, something like that. You have some more tools here, whether you want to change the borders when you have text boxes, cells, and so forth. Here's something nice, styles. This is where you can change the styles of your text. When we get into more in depth about Microsoft Word, we'll look at these styles and use them to our advantage. When I do my teaching videos for Microsoft Office, which is really where the action will be, then we'll be playing a lot with these styles and choosing these for our projects that we'll be doing in the teaching videos. So stay tuned for that. We have the different changings of styles. I mean, all of this is customizable. I mean, you just have so many options here. The way certain text should look. Find. You want to find something, like I want to find the word book. It'll search it. You see that it's selected. If I want to replace it with something, we can replace it with, we could place this or replace all. We'll just replace it. So you have that. We have select. We can select objects. We have the insert, which gives you some more options. I'm not going to get into all of these things. We're just going to do a little introduction. But I do want you to know everything that's currently in the home ribbon. This is the most important stuff, I should say, that will be in the videos that we do. And of course, you have other options here. You can insert a page cover if you want. You have various page covers. And you can make a nice little page cover if you choose to. Page breaks, tables. If you want to create a table, it's never been this easy. All you need to do is select table and simply do like dragging and so forth. So first off, let me get to a space where I can, okay. Just select the different, how many cells you want on the table. I mean, this is perhaps the easiest way for you to make a table. Very nice. Pictures, clip art, of course. Smart art, in which we'll talk about that in future videos, and other tools. So we can't get into everything because of the time limit on YouTube videos. But if you have Microsoft Word and it's your first time using it, go around and play with these options. Take a look at them. Every time you click, hover around one of these options, you get like a little description and tells you what they do. So these are the ribbons. And like I said here, when you go to the Office button here, you can create new documents, open documents, save. You can save as a Word document, Word template. You can save as a 93 to 2003 document, which is for previous versions of Microsoft Word. PDF and XPF, which do not come by default. We'll explain how you can get PDF and XPS on your as a plugin, and other formats, which we'll talk about. Print, prepare, which we'll discuss. Send and publish. And a couple of more things before we leave. I wanted you to see these buttons here, where you can change the layout of the document. Here you can change the book view, web layout, other formats, and so forth. Here you have zoom in, zoom out, change the zooming of the document, as well as these zoom in buttons here. You can drag this little bar here and change the size of the menu if you want, or the document, I should say. You can use the plus sign or the subtract sign to zoom in and zoom out and so forth. So go ahead and look around. And in future videos, we'll get into more of Microsoft Word. That's it for this video.